Hey everyone, Jeffro here, out in the dirt field behind the apartments to fly the drone. It's a little bit windy and we're probably going to get some rain, so I wanted to get it up in the air while I still have the chance today. And the purpose today was to practice hyperlapse. Hyperlapse is a feature where you can set a course and the drone will take photos every whatever interval you set, 1 second, 2 second, and it'll create a video from that stitched footage. The effects are really cool, and there's a few different modes you can play with to get the shots, and I came out here in the field today to practice a couple of them. And here we go. Hope you like the results.